Come here, let me be honest. Camera control on the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, it's cap. There, I'm saying it. Let's talk about it. Yo, what up, y'all? It's Tight Shirt Timberwolf, and I'm back for another video. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Remember to be thankful for your freaking life today because you didn't have to have that on with the meat potatoes. When I saw the keynote presentation where they showed us camera control on the iPhone 16 Pro, I ain't gonna lie, I got hyped about it. So what? I didn't use it. I never touched it, but when I saw it, I was like, that's kind of cool on surface value, right? For two specific reasons, okay? And I'm getting hot because this is right off the top of there. This is fresh off the press. For two reasons though. When they said that camera control was this innovative feature, like they say everything is an innovative feature. Like seriously, they'll be like, we took away charging and now you can charge the phone and it's the most innovative thing ever. Like Apple is the ultimate hype company. Anyways, the first thing that they said was you can use camera control like you can on a normal camera where you have a dual stage shutter. So you push it down halfway to focus and then fully depress to take a photo. I was like, that would be kind of dope to have on a phone. The second thing that they promise is you'll be able to use it to scan objects and find the internal DNA ribosomes and commit the information found through artificial intelligence to neural memory. I was like, yeah, I would like to have that also. Here we are a couple weeks after iPhone 16 Pro launch and we got none of that stuff so far. I can't stand when companies release products that are half-baked with the promise that we're gonna get it later. Like, stop doing that. Just have the features ready when the freaking product launches. Let me just get on topic. Camera control on the iPhone 16 Pro is straight cap. I don't know why nobody's being honest about this. I looked on YouTube, everybody's singing camera control's praises. And for the last, week or so since the iPhone 16 Pro has been out, I've been using it every day. I've been using camera control every day to try to get myself acclimated with it and to find out what all the hype is about. And I can confidently say in its current state right now, camera control doesn't add anything to the iPhone that it doesn't already have besides a freaking button or a different way to do things. And the different way to do things is more cumbersome than the original way to do them. So this is where I'm having a hard time with camera control. That it's literally in the way. It doesn't give me anything extra that I don't already have. Let me flip the camera around and show you a couple specific examples. Okay, so here's camera control right here. It's literally like a capacitive button that you also can depress. Now what's very strange is they have a similar cutout on the iPhone 15 Pro, although they said this was for the 5G antenna, whatever. Anyways, this is a little button right here. So the first issue I have with this is Apple says that this is a quick, fast way to launch the camera. Well, let's test it out, okay? Let's go ahead and push it down and see, like, look at this. Where is it at? Okay, let's go ahead and push it down. The camera is launched, but there's already a freaking camera button right here on the screen that's also just as fast. Like, there's literally no difference in how fast the button for the camera on the screen launches the camera versus camera control. Now here's the next thing. When you pull your phone out your pocket, nobody pulls their phone out like this. Everybody pulls it out like this, right? So here's the issue I have. When I pull the phone out my pocket to hold it like this, specifically where the camera control button is just mad awkward. Nobody holds a phone like this. Now this makes sense, right? This is natural. This does not feel natural whatsoever. Now, when you hold the phone like this, I suppose this feels more natural, right? But the problem is if you were to wrap your finger around the top of the screen, this is also not natural and it feels like it's incorrect. Now, if you do use the camera control button in this orientation, which feels okay, the problem is now your finger's on the screen. Now you're getting inadvertent touches from your finger covering half the screen up when you launch camera control. Anyways, to launch camera control, you put your finger up there, give it a little bit of pressure, and then your options start to pop up. Now, you could give it a little firm double press to get to all your options. You can scroll through, but look how fidgety it is, okay? Now, you could go in the menu and adjust the sensitivity and all of that other good stuff, which I've done. But I just don't find this button to be useful because the controls naturally when I'm holding a phone are already right here under my thumbs. Why would I go out of my way to use the button up here? The only benefit I can find at the current time is it allows you to have that immersive experience where it makes all the icons on the screen disappear. But if I need to change something, I gotta reach back up here, or I could just tap the screen to get my controls back. I can't find any way to justify using camera control over the on-screen features. I don't care if it's zoom right here, I could just zoom in like this. This is already easy. For me to get the zoom on camera control, I have to half press it, and then now I gotta slide my finger back and forth across the top. It's just not, like, I get way more precision doing it like this, okay? If you wanna talk about photo styles and all that, I could get to them right here. I can get to all the photo styles and customization right here. I guess if I were to try to find one thing I like about camera control, it's the fact that I can just push it down and hold it and it'll automatically start recording, which I don't know, you know, maybe that could be useful. I'm not sure how long I will actually use this. And then when you let it go, it stops recording. But you could already do that on social networks, and that's the only time I'll actually use this feature. So, you know, again, is it cool? I guess, sure, but it's not really adding anything to my experience filming with the iPhone 16 Pro. It's kind of stupid. Now, the other thing is third-party support. I use Blackmagic camera app all the time on the iPhone 16 Pro because it offers so much more control. It allows you to record 4K 120 ProRes log internally without needing an SSD. I love the Blackmagic camera app. Well, guess what? Camera control doesn't work with it. Now, in the menu, you can go in there and change the action that the camera control does when you press it. Like, you can have it launch the QR reader, or you can have it launch the magnifier, but you can't have it assigned to launch any other apps yet because no other apps are freaking supported. So, even if I wanted to use camera control with the Blackmagic app, first of all, I can't set it up to launch it. Second of all, it doesn't work, period, in the app. I'm sure that this third-party support will be added as time goes along. It just came out, I'm understanding of that. But right now, it doesn't work at all. So another reason why it's useless. The other thing is we do have an action button already on the iPhone 16 Pro that can do a lot of the things that camera control can, minus the whole sliding back and forth and, you know, all that stuff. You know, aside from being able to get rid of the icons on the screen, right? To get rid of the UI, and the fact that you can launch camera control and hold it down to record a short video clip and then let it go and it stops recording like the social networks, I can't find any justifiable reason besides the fact that I want to use this new feature because I paid for it, to use camera control over the controls on the screen of the main camera app because they're already right there under my freaking thumbs. Anyways, rant over. I am curious to see what Apple's gonna do with camera control moving forward and as we get more dev support, but in its current state right now, it's cap. Anyways, if you want more videos on the iPhone 16 Pro, I'm building a whole playlist. Make sure you check that out. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified when new videos go up. And then lastly, if you want to see whether you should get the iPhone 16 Pro or the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, make sure you tune in to the end card right after this video. That video is jam-packed full of comparisons and information. Anyways, till next time, I'm out of here. Tight shirt, Terry Warfield. Piece of chicken grease, y'all. Much love. Peace.